I just got some fish, shrimp, and hush puppies. It's so good. Hey guys, so today I'm just working on a client's kitchen, and basically they asked me to help them with this kitchen rack. They wanted it to have a more streamlined look and just get a lot more organized. Now this client does live a busy lifestyle, so don't judge them. They just kind of grab and go. And basically this is their before. It was very colorful. And this is the after, and everything just kind of blends together and looks more clean, and you can kind of hide the clutter a little better. So yeah, they love the way that this turned out, and so do I. So it is Friday morning. As you can see, doing stuff with these dishes. I'm just basically trying to organize these two baskets because I keep them under here, but it's starting to look a little crazy. I've just been throwing all my son's stuff under there because I feel like, you know, I try to allow him to have easy access to like dishes and stuff when it's time to come and grab something. But honestly, he really doesn't even mess with this stuff. It's more so just me coming to get it. So yeah, I'm just trying to reorganize this. This is pretty tight for all this stuff. I don't know, I might get rid of something now that he's getting a little older. It's probably some sippy cups and stuff like that that can go. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. So I'll show you guys how it looks in here when I get done, and how these baskets look that are gonna go underneath this island. Alright guys, so I finished with the cabinets, and these are not just, you know, gonna ever be perfect, and I've just accepted that, you know. So basically all you can really look to do is just make it more functional for you. So what I did was just put more of like the flat items, like the lids and long bowls and stuff like that in this side, and I also put a majority of just like the stuff that I use for my stuff over here, or like leftovers. And this side is more so like his stuff, his little utensils, trays, bowls. He had some cups. Most of his cups are honestly at my mother's house because like she babysits, so most of his sippy cups and stuff are at her house. And yeah, it's done, and I can go ahead and move on to the next task now. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna make later with that. All right guys, so I'm under my son's bunk bed and this is what I did with those Dollar Tree crates. I've been wanting to do this, but I couldn't find these for a while, so when I saw them I knew that I had to grab them up. But yeah, this is what I did. I love it. This is so that, you know, you can put like books, toys, whatever under here, and it was what, $12. So if you're just, you know, on a real tight budget, you can try to do this. I know this isn't like aesthetically pleasing necessarily, but I mean, it's a kid's room, so who cares? Way back Walmart now, y'all. This is the most aggravating thing to buy. Like, why do y'all just not put 12? We don't want to see this 24. We all know that it's not going to add up to 24. It's going to be 12. Like, you know, they just make it so complicated. Come on, just put how many are in the thing. All right, y'all, so this is everything that I got today. I had to pretty much restock my essential stuff. So I always want to keep like hand sanitizer in my car. So I got that. This was like the cheapest one I could find. It was like $6. I would have preferred to get the Purell, but yeah, I just got this and I don't like hate the smell of this one, so I just settled on that. These are Tahitian vanilla garbage bags. I figured I would go ahead and try this just so I can, like, you know, smell the bags as I'm putting it into the garbage. Then I got these designer lunch plates. I don't know why they changed the name to designer, because like, what? But yeah, these were 100 plates for about, I think these were $7, which is kind of ridiculous, but whatever. At least it's 100 of them, because the other ones were like way, not more expensive, but just, it would be like 40 for like $5. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and get the 100 pack. So these were like the best deal that I could find today. It was 6 rolls for $6.89, I believe. And the other ones were literally like $13 and 8 something and just way more. So yeah, I got those. Then I got my favorite garbage bags for right now. If you guys have a Food Lion in your area, then you could try these, I guess. But I've been enjoying these. They never really rip, or they haven't so far. And they're just like easier to carry, so I like those. Then, you know, I just made the little entertainment center in his bedroom, under his bed, so I just grabbed 2 more of these so that I can like extend it up to the top of the bed, because not the top of the bed, but y'all know what I'm talking about, the 2 little empty spaces. I could fill those in now. Then down here I got some apple pie essential oil. This one smells really good. And then I got a cinnamon spice. This one also smells good. And I also got a apple cider small spaces little Febreze thing to sit around. If you can't tell, I love apple scent, so I just wanted to go ahead and have that ready. Y'all know fall is on the way. My birthday is the first day of fall, so I'm going to need my house to be like smelling good when fall gets here. So yeah, that's everything that I just got today. This was $41, I believe, which I'm shocked that it wasn't a little bit more expensive than that. But yeah, this little stuff like this gets really expensive. You wouldn't think that these items would be that much, but they definitely were. Y'all, this is so good. It's just a burger with onions, gravy, mashed potatoes, and spinach, and this is like one of my favorite meals. Guys, I don't know why I'm like having the urge to turn my fridge sideways, so like with the door on this side. I feel like I've tried this before. And obviously I have it this way again, so I don't know why I want to try it, but I'm about to, just to see how I feel about it, because this is a different refrigerator. My sister gave me this one. I used to have a white, you know, rental refrigerator, but she gave me this one, so I'm about to just see, because y'all know I like change. I need change like almost every day. I don't know what's up with me with that, but that's just how I am in this apartment. So I'm gonna flip this around and then show y'all how it looks. So I'm actually liking it. like definitely liking it enough to just keep it like this for a while. I might get tired of it, I don't know, but I'm liking it for right now. So yeah, we're gonna leave it like this. And this is how it looks now with the 2 extra crates up at the top. And I mean, it wasn't totally necessary, but now it's just a little bit more storage down there, so I like it.